I have a situation where I have a list of employees and I want to give them a bonus. So for that, I have a criteria like I need a sale target. Sale target must be Y and they must have the positive feedback. If both these criterias are in Y, like yes, then I will give them a bonus. So to check that whether the both criterias are Y or not, we will use AND function. With the help of AND function, I will type the formula and is equal to and B4 where first criteria is there is equal to Y. When we put the Y, the text, we use double colon. I will type Y in double colon, comma, then the second criteria C4 is equal to Y double colon again and then parenthesis and enter. If it's come true, it's mean he gets the bonus. If it is false, means he will not get the bonus. So you can see for AND function, both the criteria must be true. Follow me for more Excel tips.